my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 21 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are testing out the Maskology Wild Rose Hydrogel Gold Mask. So this is one that goes in hand with the eye mask that we did towards the beginning of the month. And I was kind of disappointed because I thought that these were going to be like more shiny. Instead, they turned out to be like a clear gel. So I'm assuming that's what this is going to be like too, which disappoints me because I was really hoping it would look like what's on the picture here. That really cool kind of, what do I want to call it? Kind of like metallic kind ofness to it instead of being like clear see-through, so I'm pretty sure that's what it's going to look like. The Wild Rose Hydrogel Gold Mask is formulated with ingredients such as gold, collagen, and rose extracts. The Wild Rose Hydrogel Gold Mask penetrates deep into the skin to give real results in just 20 minutes. The gel mask hydrates and reduces the appearance of redness while soothing irritated skin, helps minimize the pores while reducing fine lines and wrinkles. And let's see, directions: wash your face to remove makeup and environmental toxins, gently unfold mask in place on your face, adjust the eyes, nose, mouth opening, relax for 20 minutes, remove the mask from your face and discard, no need to rinse, massage remaining product into your face and neck. And this is also one of those, I guess it's a two-part because it has that line going through it right there. So it doesn't say it's a two-part mask, but I'm assuming that it is. I think it's kind of like the gold one that we did as well, which was also see-through. Not really like a gold mask at all. It did have like gold flecks in it. So this one says it has ingredients such as gold. So I'm wondering if it'll be like the little shiny flecks inside it, but I'm really doubting that it's going to be as opaque as that. So our skin is all prepped and ready to go. I'm going to cut this open. It's like a shimmery gold mess. Ooh. So it looks a little shiny, but still not what I pictured. It seems to be sticking really well, so I definitely like that. I don't have to mess around with it a lot. I'm gonna go set the timer. I don't have my phone in here right now because it is charging, so I'm gonna go set the timer for the 20 minutes and then we will be back to take it off. So it has been the 20 minutes. I really like the way this mask feels. I think that it's very comfortable and I honestly really don't want to take it off because it feels so good, but it's time to take it off, so let's do that. Bottom first. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the garbage so it doesn't get my desk all nasty. And the top. And I do want to show you what it looks like up close, so I'm going to hold it up here to the camera. Try to leave my scary orange hands out of it. But that is what it looks like. So it is a little bit shiny. At least it's not as opaque as or at least it's not as see-through as I thought it was going to be. But I still kind of wish it was more metallic, to be honest. But I feel like it's a really good mask. It's really comfortable to wear. My skin feels great. And I don't know if I really read earlier what this is claiming to do. I guess I read the back. It says that it's a skin hydration and visible glow. So it's supposed to make you feel hydrated and look glowing. And right away, I gotta say, I do feel like I look glowing. The serum is still on my skin, so that does help with that. And like I said, my skin feels really hydrated, so I really like that mask. It is disappointing that it's not quite like the picture on the front of the thing here, the packet. I'm a little disappointed, but I still really like the mask. I thought it was really good. I would definitely pick this up again and use it again. So that's pretty much everything for this video. Short and sweet, really great mask. So let me know if you have tried this or if you're going to go pick it up. Walmart, $2.50. Great price for this mask. Please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. It helps me out a lot and I really appreciate that. And until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.